Yeah.
I just got something that doesn't want the door to shut. Use that. Okay. No, they give them shut.
These are weird garbage bags.
That's not a good one.
No, really? I hadn't noticed.
I'm gonna find one of the other ones. Here they are.
Scared birdies. According to birdies. I'm scared.
That's not a good one either, but it'll work. I can't find that one. You know, I thought it was gonna be nice for a while.
It is.
The wind's starting to pick up, I'll say that.
I didn't say the wind isn't going to pick up. I said it's going to be nice day. Told you there's a 57% chance of rain all day today.
Okay, I got one. Where'd Dado get? Well, let's stick it over here. Present, so remind you to tell me.
I just like how birds are so inquisitive.
The birds are?
Yeah.
What are they doing?
I said they're very inquisitive.
Yes, they are that.
You know what that means? What?
I'm not done.
Okay, then what does it mean?
They're watching.
No, inquisitive meaning they're extraordinarily curious, but very cautious at the same time. Yeah, I think they're done. You done? No? No, you gonna think about it?
My stomach is bloating today because it must be, sick. Huh? I think it's sick.
What do you mean sick?
My stomach,
Mm-hmm.
because it hurts, and it hurts like it usually does, bad. Hurts bad, and then something slapped me in the head.
Your grandma slapped you in the head?
No, that's downstairs, she pushed me down.
Who did?
Probably Uncle Jim.
Uncle Jim did?
Probably Uncle Jim, Jay said. Because he's mad at me for something. I didn't tell him to die. I gave my house up so he could have all of his bills paid. Huh? So he should be a good boy. Did you hear me? Uncle Jim should be a good boy. You know? I give him all of the money. Oh, what did you do with the sack? You didn't put it in the garbage.
Sack kind of didn't work.
This one right here. It's covered in there, right where I just dug.
Alright, you know your food.
Just leave it sitting there a minute because I've got to.
Alright, I think the birdies are done.